I'm Dr. Lesleigh Franklin. I am the founder and director of the Institute for Transformation and Change. I'm here today to talk about the issue of drug addiction and addiction in youth, adolescents, and young adults. Addiction is an area that I've worked in for many years, having actually started a wellness program for youth at University of Texas Medical Branch, Galveston, many years ago. Addictions are often very visible, but also very hidden. Not only do we have drug addiction, we have sex addiction, we have eating disorders, we have codependency. There are many kinds of addictions that fall under this category. What's most important is to talk about ways in which one can treat these addictions and identify if they need help. We're at a time when youth are using more drugs and different kinds of addictions than any time in history. Some of this is related to the social media and the use of sexting, along with encouragement to use various types of drugs. Also, due to social media, there's a lot of cyberbullying that goes on that also brings about the use of substances as a way to cope. But most importantly, we find that addiction is also often the result of trauma of some kind, whether it be physical trauma, sexual trauma. But due to the trauma and the depression that comes with it and the feeling of not fitting in, it's not at all uncommon for an individual to turn to drugs, alcohol, food, etc., to help soothe their pain. If you're one of those individuals, or if you have a friend or family member who you feel is experiencing some form of an addiction that's out of control and that they need help, one of the best things to do is to contact someone who can support you with this process. And if that individual's willing, set up a time for them to meet with a professional to discuss what their options are. In dealing with addiction, it's most often important to make sure that the individual feels like they have control of the treatment, that they have input, and that they can take part in a collaborative process. At the Institute for Transformation and Change, we believe in co-creating treatment due to the fact that through co-creation, one feels that they have control over their healing along with input. If any of this sounds familiar to you, please feel free to contact us at the Institute for Transformation and Change, and we can set up a free consultation to meet with you and discuss what it is that might be needed and how to move forward. Thank you for listening, and we hope to hear from you.